12 minutes into the session, right? And the alert is gonna be coming in a few minutes. I need to listen to myself, but I can hear myself at the moment. So, and this is something I should look in the background. Now the speaker is fine. Yeah, okay. I want to saturate myself so much. And you know what I like to do to increase the resolution? Okay, so how's the market? What's the risk to reward ratio? Let's do 1-to-1 at the moment. The market is going up very clearly. Yeah, it took me a while to set this up. I have some issues with the streaming today. I'm sorry for being late. I need to listen to myself first, and it's not. I don't see the sounds coming out, so I need to monitor this on the OBS. And the OBS, as I say, it's working. Okay, this is a labial microphone, and yeah, I'm streaming so I can see myself. The laptop is heating up like crazy. Okay, and I need to reset the simulator again. I need to fix this week. This is not a reliable approach. How's the alert system going on? Next on 19 minutes. So I think I started the market when it was 9:31. So it will kick off at 9:20. So how's the price action taking place? Yeah, quite bullish, eh? Up and running upwards. Yeah, I also needed to verify that it's me for the chat. I'd like somebody to chat with me so I can test it out. I connected the YouTube, connected to the OBS backend services, and this is something that I've never done before, so I need to test it. So, what's the bias of the market? Okay, let's go to the point. How's our market bias? And let me see. Let's try to refresh one more time. Come on. Well, I don't think the chat is gonna work. The OBS chat is not connected properly. Okay, we are on the 5 minutes or what? The ATAS. 1 minute, okay? What's going on? 1 minute, okay? Okay, let me see. What do we have here? Okay, what's the VWAP? What's this? This is the VWAP. Okay, let's go for the indicators. Let's review what we're using here. I cancel it. Okay, it's time to review, okay? 950, no 920. 950. Sorry, my mistake. I think I'm gonna change the colors of these candles. I don't like these colors. I like this the white and the blue. White and blue color sets. This is what I like. Let me see if I can change it now. I don't know how to. This is a new. Yeah. This is a new platform for me. Settings, okay. Train setup. Get an ask. Background footprints. Visual. Okay, so what color do we want for the green? I use light blue, and what color I use white. Done. Let me see. It's better now, isn't it? Way better. Good. You see a white candle, you don't freak out. Let me see the clock simulator. I didn't have to restart it. Okay, it's working now. It's stable. It's quite stable now. Forget about the chat. Goodbye, goodbye chat, goodbye. Enter passwords. Let me see. I try to add my passwords. Two-factor authentication, use passkey or send verification on the phone. Let me see if I can authorize myself. Yeah, time. Yeah, so it's myself. I need to validate myself here. So maybe I can see. Yes, it's me. Welcome to the live chat. Okay, finally. And I need people to chat with me so I can see in the stream. So today, basically this week is just to set up, you know, a little bit of my the parameters of the app and the OBS, you know, for the streaming. And you know, I don't do much during the first triggers. So it's looking very bullish. Okay, so let's go for the diversions. Let's spot any divergences here on the delta side, and I'm surprised I haven't. I didn't have to restart the apps. Okay, let me see. Maybe I fixed this somehow. Okay, do we have a diversion here, guys? Look at this. Price coming up and delta coming down. Should we take a short? This is 1 minute candle. Okay, what's the VWAP? VWAP is very far away. Look at this. Any target, any suitable targets? Yeah, maybe we can start shorting from this area when there's a liquidity hunt here on the 5 minutes level. If there's a liquidity hunt, maybe we can go and get out of here. We can go long and then looking for shorts. The diversions is already a fact, and the ATR is there. And other things that I like to look for, if you are a volume profile trader, you should look for the POC, have a low POC value area high, value area low, POC, and VWAP, the four significant areas. Okay, if you're a volume profile trader, if you're an ICT trader, you're looking for this high. Okay, so that's a shaker. I'm gonna say, okay, I'm gonna start my cool off time, and I say no, I'm fine because I'm not stressed. You know, if I need like a cool off break, I will take it later in the next cycle. So I'm gonna skip it, okay? And I continue with the session. So now the app is working. I had to fix it, but okay. I will do this, okay? I'm looking for this high. I think I'm gonna go long here. I'm gonna get out of here. Just 1-to-1, okay? Little bit 1-to-1 trade. 1 mini. So it's going to hunt this liquidity. If you're an ICT trader, you're interested in this commitment for the price to go higher. Look at this, very fine. Easy. 5 minutes candle. You want to see on the 1 minute what's going on the 30 seconds? What do we have here? What is the diversions? The diversions? No, it does. I don't have a diversions anymore now. Look at this. Oh, going long. You want to go higher, even higher? Okay, let's do a 2-1-800. Okay. And when it hits 400, I will trail my stop loss to 0.5% of the 50% of the risk. I just need a little bit. It has to go a little bit higher still. But do I see the commitment here in delta? Yes, I can see the commitment in delta. That's fine. So we are risking 400 for a 2-to-1. Should I update it on my app? I think I got frozen again. You haven't seen anything. One more time, I need to reset. Okay, so what I did is I changed my mind. So because I saw commitment in the price action, I will go for 2 to 1. Okay, 1 to 2, 2 to 1, and I will trade my stop when it hits 400. Okay, when it hits 101 on the way 102, I'm going to reduce my target, my stop loss to 50%. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, not now. I have to go a little bit
Order cancelled.
more far away. Okay, maybe here.
Order cancelled.
That's my plan. Okay, so let me show you the price action. Wow, there's a lot of volatility. Let's go to 1 minute. I'll go to 1 minute. It's a bit noisy now. Okay. That's my. And I forgot to start the position. I'm sorry. It's been 2 minutes now. It's been 2 minutes in the trade. So yeah. And this is what I see. I'm gonna remove this. I know the price is going higher, and the delta is going. It's balanced now. So I think we're going uptrend now. Yeah, it's gonna continue up. Let's try to achieve a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Need a bit more of patience here. It can bounce back to the 50 EMA, so it can retrace and then to continue higher. So yeah, maybe it's not a very useful trade because it's like FOMO into this trade. But for the sake of the video, I just need to open a trade. We're still in 1 minute in the trade, plus another minute that I haven't logged before, so it's fine. And well, let's see how it goes. Now I can see some weakness in the delta for the continuation higher. If we go to 5 minutes, let me see. Let's go to 15 minutes. Okay. Where's the previous high? Was it taken here? Yeah, the high was taken. So that was 1 to 1 trade. Was fine. That was a good trade here, and I was a little bit more greedy, so I'm gonna go 2 to 1. Maybe I can change my mind and I can say, okay, I'm gonna go for 600. Okay, 600. So this is 1.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So before it comes back down, or I can go for this high. Okay, so that's another high. That could be some liquidity here. If I trail this, it's gonna give me a little bit more than 2 to 1. Should we aim for this? Let's go back to 800. 2 to 1. Yeah. Let's go for that. So we don't have to wait so much. I can see commitment here in the price action. Look, it's not coming down. If you are shorting, you're gonna get smashed because you are above the VWAP and all the trend. Basically, if I go to the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, we are beyond all these boundaries. So yeah, that's a big push on the price in the price action. And yeah, I use TradingView for all my setup, so I don't actually use ATAS. I started using ATAS like 1 week ago for this new approach to to start using these Apex accounts, you know, the rhythmic based accounts. And I like, you know, all the information. I like the indicators they have, and they're more realistic. And it's taking some time to hit my target, eh? How's the delta going? Showing some weakness now. So I need to add more indicators. I think I'm going to reduce. I'm gonna have to split this screen and just to add more indicators on the different sides. A little bit of TPO, the footprints, but I need to learn how to set this up. Okay, it's gonna take me 1 more week just to get to know this and do it properly. Okay, we have a new alert. Which one is it? Initial position review. Okay, my position is okay. Should I add to the winner? I don't think so. No, I don't see so much commitment, and it's we are entering in a very high way. So this was maybe kind of the breakout area. So we have this range here. The breakout was here, and I entered just here. So basically very late. So I will never add to a winner. Maybe 1 or 2 micros. So let's say if I want to add a micro, and I need to change this. Okay, I need to go to look for the micro and footprint settings. Okay, can we see a little bit more in detail what do we have here? If I zoom in, let me see, what do we see here? Why it's not coming up? Oh, they're building the nodes. Are they building nodes up for a better commitment in the price action? This is a 5-minute candle. Okay, no, this is not looking very well. Look. How's the delta going? I think I'm going to use a camera that is you know, from. I put this camera here. External camera, so I can move on the sides. I don't have to be lined up in front of the camera. I'm using my MacBook camera, so I know it's not the best option. Okay, reviewing the position. Okay, so this is the alert. Okay, review the position. You are about to be 8 to 9 minutes into the session. Okay, what's going on with the price action? It's not going anywhere at the moment. Okay, so if you want to get out or review your stop loss, it's the moment to do it now, before it can reverse now. It's taking too long and it's not going any further. Okay, so this is what I would do. This is another alert to tell me evaluate momentum. There is no momentum anymore. Can you see? I'm not in profit, and I entered very late. I should have entered, as I told you, during the breakout. So I don't see the commitment very well into continuing higher. So what I can do, I can get out of this trade and just wait a little bit more for a retracement and then continue higher, but later on. No, at this very point. That was the breakout. This is the breakout I was trying to achieve before. Okay. This area. If you want to consider, if you want to breakout, if you are a breakout trader, that was the liquidity hunt. It ran for, and he achieved it a little bit. That was my exit. I should have exited here, you know, like in 400 something, like 400 here.
Order cancelled.
So that's the evaluation moments when he told me, okay, you are 9 minutes into this, 9 to 10 minutes into the session. So what's your situation? Okay, so sometimes it's better off to close the trade, as I said. I should have done it. Okay. It's like we don't need to resist a trade. We just need to get in, get out whenever convenient. That's it.
Stop filled.
I got out. I got stopped out. Okay. Yeah. So that's the evaluation. So positions. What was it? 300, no? Loss. 320. 320 as a loss. So I need to check my, let's say it was 2500. So it's going to be 80, something like that, okay? For the 180. For the, so this is 200. Yeah, okay. I lock the trade. Boom. It's okay. It's okay. We can look for another entry. This is what I say. I get out of the trade and look for a new opportunity to step back in. Usually goes to the 50 EMA, or it can reverse to the VWAP in 1 minute. Maybe it's a good entry point now. Okay. No.
Order filled.
So what do? I have another position again. With 400, okay? Where was my initial 2-1 risk reward? I'm gonna go to this high, okay?
Order cancelled. I'm
not gonna go so greedy. I might have waited a little bit more, okay? But I saw some commitment up. Sometimes it traces not so much and it continues high, okay? I don't think it's gonna be the case.
Stop filled.
I'll get that. Okay. Log in this. So let's say I find, and I don't know, let's say my, so it's a loss. 400 loss, okay? Did I look at the other one as a loss? I need to see. So how do I see the prop firms? Okay, I go to this active one. Yeah, so I log this as a loss, another loss. Okay, that's fine. Let's do it. I don't want to FOMO into this trade. Okay, so that's okay. We can remove this. It took the 50 EMA. Oh my god, man. Okay, going to the, is it still counting? How are we going? I'm not gonna trade, I'm not gonna take a short. No way. No, I don't see. I don't see this. This is a short situation. Let me see on the 5 minutes, 15 minutes. 15. Yeah, the volatility is gonna get you out. Okay, so it's 40 points volatility. It's too much. Looking for the big trades. Here we go. Wow, look at this, man. Look at some news announcements, anything? That was a good chance to step in, eh? At the 50. Just a limit order there. We still keep on the uptrend, okay? 250 EMA. The 200, the 50 EMA, and the VWAP. The VWAP, eh? Fantastic. Failure to do a higher high, we can enter a short here. But I need some level of retracement, like. Watch for a pullback. It did a pullback. It did pull back, and we missed it. It did pull back. I don't think I'm gonna enter here. Maybe I should enter. If I'm looking for continuation higher, to do a higher high. Okay, let's go. It's not gonna go so high, but let's try to recover some losses here, okay? And try to come back down. It's nice to load up here. Yeah, I'm in the trade. Okay, let's leave this run. I think I like it. It's gonna break up. Going for a higher. I have a red light. Okay, it's going my way. My way or the highway. That's pretty much it. 200 EMA or the 50 EMA. Those are the numbers. If you see a lot of commitment in the price action, delta is brilliant. So go higher and higher in the price action. You always, many people are shorting, but they go stop them. So, and I believe it's going to continue. Okay, it's going to continue higher. This is what Nasdaq always does. Nasdaq loves to continue higher. Nasdaq is unstoppable. Sometimes it's unstoppable. Okay. Should I manage risk? Look at this. Unfinished auctions. So reducing my risk.
Order cancelled.
Percent. Okay. I can see a lot of commitment now. Look at this. Nice. Nice. And I'm going to close it because I need to recover the losses. So 500. Look. Fantastic. Are you seeing this? Yes, you're seeing this. So it's been almost an hour into the session, okay? Yeah. Well, here we go. Bam.
Order filled.
Yes. Okay, so what happens? We do nothing. We lock the trade. 4 minutes. Okay, let's say I had this plus another 800, so it's basically the maximum on the Apex account. Was a win? Yes. How much? $800. Log it. So I go for the 15 minutes to see a little bit of how far I can go. Look where I took it. Maybe a little bit further. You can leave some runners if you have micro contracts in place. You can leave this running, okay? I will leave it just to the high at least. I don't know, just leave it for an hour or 40 minutes. So what do? So I close this trade, this position, the mini position, but I have two. Let's say I have 2 or 3 micro contracts. I lock them here, and they add another winner, like a pyramiding, and you can add the 3rd position here. 1 micro. Oh my God! Look at this! Look at the commitment here. I like it, eh? And this is when I get exhausted and I say, okay, cool off time. Yes, I do need to cool off because it's been, I took some losses. I took a big win. I let it run, and I don't have to. So I'm gonna take my 3 minutes, and it's gonna be the end of the day for me. Okay. So this is pretty much how you use my app, and yeah, it's in a sense very useful to to have a timer that is helping you to to step away from the screen, and before you go into a mental exhaustion. Trading, it was an easy day today, but trading can be very exhausting for people who are not used to scalp, or intraday traders who are starting off. In the beginning, it can be very stressful. So the timer is gonna help you to to overcome this this concerning times, and or the stressful moments. You set up your stop loss and your take profit targets, and you step away from the screen. You just walk away. Go for a coffee, or grab some water, or just walk around the house, or you go outside, whatever. But at least step away from the screen. This is what I would recommend. Okay. Have a lovely day.